Hello, an unboxing video. This time it's for the MSI B450M Mortar MAX motherboard. This supports Ryzen 3000 and other ones as well. First, second and third gen Ryzen with the different graphics. So let's open it up and have a little look. That's the board, which we'll look at in a minute. Foam, cardboard, two SATA cables, one of which is right angled. IO shield, which is nicely printed rather than just being plain aluminium. A case decor, little sort of sticky badge with the MSI logo on it. Two sets of M.2 screws. Driver's DVD. Other stuff they make. Leaflet. Please register it. Quick installation guide. Yeah. Probably put that one in all the motherboards. Looks a bit generic. Get that out of the way. Manual. It's multilingual, so not exactly huge. Does it have the BIOS in it? Yes, we have got the BIOS in it. So yeah, looks thick, but it's multilingual. That's the box empty. On the back of the box, we've got lots of details there. So if I hold it to the camera and then just, you can pause that and have a look. Does Mystic Light, so it's got RGB headers, USB 3.2 Gen 2 with a Type C as well. You don't get the funky connector on for the front of your case though, which NZXT are putting on all their cases now. So let's look at the board itself. Here we are. That's the end of it there, so that's pretty cool. You've got DisplayPort and HDMI out. Everything's nicely red. That's a bit of a substantial bit of metal. There's a little tab on there, presumably for the little plastic coating that it's got on that heatsink there. So yes, all in all, a very nice looking little motherboard. So there we go. So any comments, stick them in the comments. If you've got any questions about this, then stick them in the comments as well. Liking and subscribing is always appreciated. And thanks for watching.